Why do you go? Why do you go? Why do you go? Why do you go? Why do the people we love go? Why do the people we love go? Why do you go? Why do you go? Why do you go?
Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Janine Bailey and I share experiences of my travels across Africa. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So I was taking a walk around my neighbourhood with Nana, and then I came across this and I was wondering what it was. So we followed it all the way up, and this is what we discovered. This guy was so kind to allow us to record it, and he showed us even more things. So I'm very excited to show you guys what I learned. Ghana can be so mysterious and fascinating. Oh, Kente.
Yeah.
In fact, I'm here no function.
Okay. Let's go bring one that is already.
Okay.
So these are the threads they use, and they use a shiny thing to make a design. You see, that's the design you make. Wow, it looks smooth though. Wow.
Yeah. Amazing, man. Shiny.
So these are the
Oh, I see. So does it come like it goes on the clothes?
Yeah.
Does it go on the cloth? It's
So when they finish, so we on make a moment.
So they could join them.
So when they finish, they will join in it
Yeah.
like that. Yeah.
And then what do you do?
They join it, and then it becomes a cloth. So you come to buy it, you go to sew it, and then you use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's really nice. And you do it all yourself?
I will sell it in the market.
Wow.
Wow. After he's done with this, he goes to the market and sell it. Wow.
It's really beautiful.
Beautiful thing.
Very nice.
So how much? How much is it sold?
So this one, Baku 8. Now here we know.
The whole cloth. Okay, so 8 pieces of this it makes a cloth.
Okay.
Yard.
Oh, I
Cloth.
see. Okay, and you
Yeah.
just okay.
In general, what understand? How much you said that?
Let's say 8 pieces now is 1.5.
1.5. 150 cedis. Wow.
That's good.
8 pieces is 150 cedis.
Wow. Does it take long to make? Like to make one piece? How long?
This is the long.
How many days are you in? And I said, how many hours are you in?
Hours no.
Yeah.
Let's say you go 4 pieces one day.
4 pieces one day.
3 pieces one day.
3 pieces in one day. Okay. That's
so
good.
it depends. Sometimes you can do 4, sometimes 3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
So today, how many have you done?
This is the 3.
The third one.
You do 2 already.
So 3 on.
Very good. Okay.
The third one.
Wow. So like when it rain right now, what do you do? Oh, this one it doesn't care for rain.
I will pick it.
And you run it. Run it. Okay.
I want to see him working. It looks nice.
Okay. I see.
Beautiful.
So almost now we are going to be back and watch it on film so. So I'm sure we are. You see, we over social. If you want to learn it, how would you get learn?
This looks impossible. Like, how do you to position the thread and everything so perfectly? Gosh.
Right. It would take like 3 years. Eh?
Oh, it can be 3 years. Let's say 6 months crap or with me.
So you think you can take 6 months?
6 months alone.
Yeah.
So fast. No, I think it would take me 6 years. Just that alone, I'm confused. Have you ever seen it done before?
Yeah, but I think this is good to do like this.
Where do you buy the fabric? Thank you so much for your time. It's so beautiful. I hope you make a lot of money, okay? Are you going to sell it tomorrow? Okay, okay. Thank you, okay? I'll see you again. I live around here.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, you live around here?
Yeah.
Okay. It's your house, okay. Alright, okay. So have a nice day. See you.
Oh, thank you.
Bye. Well, that's it for this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have an amazing day.